Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, now we are working with time. Today, let us learn to convert hours into minutes. Okay, we're going to convert hours into minute. Conversion of hours into minutes. Conversion of hours into minutes. First of all, let's do a small example. All right? Example. And here we're going to convert 7 hours into minutes. Okay? And we'll do a small sum here for us to understand what we are talking about. All right. Convert 7 hours into minutes. Convert 7 hours into minutes. Convert 7 hours into minutes. That's our question. We're going to convert 7 hours into minutes. Fine. If 1 hour is equal to 60. So, if 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 7 hours. Okay? Therefore, 7 hours equal to 60 minutes into 7. So 60 minutes into 7 will give us the answer. Into 7 will give us the how many minutes are there in 7 hours. Now we make the margin. We write here 60 into 7. We write here tens and ones. And we put down a margin. Okay, now we multiply any number into 0 or 0 into any number will give us what? 0. So 7 0 0, 7 6s are 4 42. 7 6s are 42. 42, you put down 42 as it is. Okay? 0 into 7 or 7 into 0, anything. The product is 0. 7 into 6 is 42. So we get 420 minutes. Okay? Converting 7 hours into minutes, and we get 420 minutes in 7 hours. So your answer is, what answer you get? Your answer is answer 420 minutes. 420 minutes, that is the answer. Okay? Now let's work out another sum. You will convert 9 hours and 40 minutes into minutes. So the first sum that you are getting is, you're going to convert 9 hours and 9 hours 40 minutes. 9 hours 40 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, the question is 9 hours 40 minutes to minutes you're going to convert. Okay, what will be the first statement? The first statement will be, if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 9 hours and 40 minutes equal to how many minutes? That's what we're going to find out. The first one, if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, therefore 7 hours. Therefore 9 hours equal to 60 into 9, and then we add on the 40. 60 into 9. Okay, alright. So you get 60 into 9, and let us have the margin here. We have tens. 60 into 9. Okay, you write ones and tens. Ones. Tens. And then you multiply. Let's see. Now, any number into 0. 0 into 9, 9 into 0. The product is 0 itself. Then 9 into 6. 9 sixes are 54. Yes? 9 into 6 gives you 54. So, you get 9 into 6, 60 into 9 gives you 540 minutes. But you have also 40 minutes to add. Now, you will add plus 40. Plus 40 minutes. Okay, that will be, you will get 540, and then you will add on plus 40. Plus 40. Okay, that is this 40, and that will give us 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 8, and you bring the 5 down. So you're going to add 40 minutes to 540 plus 40. What is the answer we'll get? So now your answer is, what answer you get? Your answer is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 9 hours equal to 540 minutes, plus 40 minutes gives you 580 minutes. 580 minutes in 9 hours 40 minutes. Is that all right? So in 9 hours and 40 minutes, you have 580 minutes. Okay, let's work out another sum. Now, Let us convert 4 hours and 25 minutes. Convert 4 hours and 25 minutes into minutes. We are going to convert 4 hours, 25 minutes into minutes. Okay, now what do we begin with? If 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, if, that is the second sum we are doing, if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 4 hours equal to 60 into 4. 60 into 4. Alright? 60 into 4. Okay? And that will give us what? Let's see. Now, let's look at the margin. Do the margin and let's put down tens, ones, tens and ones, and then we multiply 60 into 4. 60 into 4 and add on 25 also. Now, any number into 0 or 0 into 4, any number, the product is 0. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. So that is 240 minutes. Now we have to add on 25 minutes. So you will say plus 25 minutes. That is 240 plus 25. And that will give us the answer. So you have to add here plus 25 minutes. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Bring the 2 down. The answer is 265 minutes. In 4 hours, 25 minutes. Alright, that's our answer. Now let's work out another sum. Alright, another sum, let's work out 5 hours and 15 minutes. Convert 5 hours, 15 minutes into minutes. 5 hours, 15 minutes into minutes. That's what we are going to do. Alright? Now, how do we start? If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then therefore 5 hours. 5 hours equal to 60 into 5. 60 into 5 will give us how many minutes? Okay. Now, we have to have a margin. Then you write tens and ones and write down 60 into 5. 60 into 5. Now, 0 into 5, the product is 0. 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30. So you get 300 minutes. 300 minutes. Now you add on. We have 15 minutes. Add together with this 15 minutes. That is 300 plus 15 minutes. 300 plus 15 minutes. So you add on here plus 15 will give us 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1, and bring the 3 down. So your answer is, what's your answer? 315 minutes in 5 hours, 15 minutes. So our answer is equal to 315 minutes in 5 hours and 15 minutes. Alright? Now, today what did we learn? We learned to convert hours into minutes. So if 1 hour is 60, 5 hours will be 60 minutes into 5 will give us 300 minutes, and then the 15 minutes added on. So 300 plus 15 is 315 minutes in 5 hours, 15 minutes. We learned today conversion of hours into minutes.